Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another session of data structures and algorithms. My name is Dr. Bilal Wajid. Today we're going to talk about a double linked list. Now, we have previously discussed about a single linked list. Here, any node has only one pointer pointing to the next node, and you can only traverse from the beginning till the end. This is what a double linked list looks like. Here, every node has a pointer to the node previous to it and a node next to it. So therefore, in a double linked list, you do have the capacity to move in either direction, up or down. Now, in the event you actually connect the last node with the first itself, you end up with something like looking like this, which is a circular linked list, which is very useful in events which are periodic in nature, like a calendar, for instance, or a timetable, right? What happens on Monday in a university repeats on Monday. Now, this is how a single node of a double linked list looks like. You have a node, you have a pointer pointing to the previous and pointing to the next, and some variables inside. Now, the node that points to the previous node, I'm going to use the word previous, whereas the node pointing to the next, I'm going to use the word next. Now, interestingly, these definitions are not present outside, they are more present inside the node itself, right? So it looks more like this. Now, fully embracing it within the node itself, it would actually look like this, right? So you have a node where there is a definition for a previous and there is a definition for next, okay? Or a declaration for that matter. Now, this is our node. There is a pointer pointing to the previous and a pointing to the next, and some value here, for instance, that could basically look like a variable. So this is the definition. There is a structure node, right? There is a value. So for now, I'm assuming it is of the type integer. And then there is a pointer. You see the asterisk here, that represents a pointer. A pointer by the name of previous that can point to another node, and a pointer by the name of next, which has the capacity to point to another node. Now, this is the entire definition, but it's more appropriate that it looks somewhat like this, right? Because the pointer itself, when you declare it something like this, it doesn't really appear outside the node. It's more appropriate to make it look like this diagrammatically, okay? So I would strongly recommend that you try these codes before moving on to the next lecture. If you like the lecture, hit the thumbs icon and subscribe to get notified for new videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.